In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a thank you message for your Etsy customers that automatically goes out to them when they make a purchase. This will help you get more 5-star reviews from your Etsy customers. Now, you might be wondering, what is the big deal with reviews? Do they really help me get more sales? And the answer is yes. Most Etsy sellers, especially if you're new, don't realize that the more 5-star reviews you get, the more good reviews you get, the more sales you're going to make. Every time you get a 5-star review, this slightly increases your shop's quality score and gives your Etsy listings a tiny boost in the search results. Perhaps you've noticed one Etsy listing in particular, one product that someone gave you a really good review for, it sold a couple of times, and then it's gradually begun to increase traffic and sales after it got those 5-star reviews. Good reviews help you kind of create that snowball effect with Etsy. And reviews are one of the things that can help you the most get more sales when your shop is new. So one of the easiest ways to get those reviews is with an automated message that goes out to your buyers when they make a purchase that tells them how to access their items, as well as inviting them to leave you a review. Let me show you how. In Etsy, go to your shop manager and scroll down to settings. This is one of my Etsy shops. We just started it about 35 days ago. And click on info and appearance under your shop settings. When you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see a section called message to buyers and then messages to buyers for digital items. So the first one goes to anything with physical products. If you sell anything with print on demand, like t-shirts, coffee mugs, maybe you sell handmade products as well, this first one, message to buyers, that is where the physical product customers are going to get an automated message. And then anything digital, whether it's PDFs, templates, anything you're making, printable art, anything like that where you are attaching a digital file, this is where you're going to have an automated message to them. And I like that it's different. You have 2 different options on Etsy so that you can easily customize, like if you want to include special links to video tutorial and how to use your digital products, like if you're making planner templates or something like that. So I made 2 short messages here, and they're almost identical, except that one is for physical products and mentions shipping time right here, and then one is just digital. So I'm going to copy and paste these into my Etsy settings, and I'll actually include a template of this in the video description if you want to use this message template. But all I've done is copy and paste it. The physical one mentions when we ship, and then the digital one also includes instructions on when they can download their items as well in the digital product section. You can include additional things here like social media links if you have them, video tutorials, links to your website, anything else that you want to include here, you absolutely can. But this does provide great customer service, and we're also mentioning, I should highlight this here, how to receive a 5-star review. We're really telling them we want reviews, we want to provide great customer service, and we want to make it right if something isn't. So I like to use this, and I really have had great results with getting customers to review after implementing this automated message. And all you need to do is hit Save Changes, and you are good to go. I hope that you found this Etsy tip helpful, and if you want to learn more about how to create e-printables and other digital downloads and how to use Etsy to make money online, subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more.